just got real bright in here. Okay. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very fun video. I thought about this. I thought it was cute. I'm very excited. So I'm going to be sharing today 10 things that you should buy on your Disney college / international / whatever you want to call it program. I shopped a lot on my program. I literally was throwing things out to fit things in my suitcase to bring them home. So these are the things of all the junk that I did buy that I think everyone should buy for their program. I already don't have the first one with me. Perfect. I will insert a clip, but a lanyard. These are what everyone uses. I kept my housing ID on one side, my blue ID on the other side of this. So when I was going in and out of housing units or on the bus, I could just flash it. I could wear it around my neck. My cat's gonna jump down and knock over the camera again. We're not gonna do this. I got the cast member one, but there's a ton of different ones. Disney does like exclusive ones every single month. So there was a Rapunzel one that I almost got, but then I think, who else? One of my roommates got it. Kaylee, my roommate, had a Ratatouille one. There's a bajillion. There's so many of them. Mine's basic, but I thought it was cute. So, but first, like your first week, do that. And the bottom part that I have is the hard plastic one. I recommend this one more than just like the flimsy ones. People say the hard plastic ones break all the time, but I had absolutely no problems with it. So I recommend it. 2 is something that's cast member exclusive. And there's a ton of cast member exclusive merch. Little things like I got the sticker for my laptop. They have cast member exclusive pins that you can buy at Company D. So I got this one. This is Vistaway. This is my housing complex. And then I got this one, which is really cute. Has a little tag that you get when you're earning your ears in training. That one's cute. This was on like crazy sale. It was only a couple dollars. So this is a cute little keychain. It has Pluto and Mickey on it, and then if I can find it. And then it has this like little tag. I don't know if you'll be able to read it, but it says cast member on it. It's like that was from Company D. The big one, you've probably seen this before. Everyone gets this. I think if I ever go back and work for them, I'll get a black one because I never wear the pink because it's pink. But this is the Disney cast member exclusive spirit jersey. I think it's super cute. So go to Company D, and whether you like pins or spirit jerseys or whatever, get something cast member exclusive to commemorate your time with the company. Number 3 is something dumb from Cast Connections. There's a billion videos there on Cast Connections. I could do a whole video on Cast Connections. I spent so much money on Cast Connections. But essentially they sell discounted things for cast members exclusively in the back, which is great because sometimes you get random things that are like kind of broken for 90% off. So these are just a few of the things I got. We got more. But I'm going to show you 2 of the things that I think are so cute that I got from Cast Connections. Number 1 is this. This ornament in the park is normally like $25 to $30. I got it for $2 because one, his little fingers, can you even see? One of his little baby fingers is broken there, and I think they like got it custom painted to say class of, but I think they probably didn't like the writing, so that's why they didn't take it. They redid it. But I didn't graduate this year, but I was supposed to, so that's why I bought this. But $2 compared to like 27 or something. So that's my first dumb thing I bought. This is maybe my favorite thing I bought my entire program. This is a double extra large Aulani spirit jersey that was, I think like it was definitely under $20, and these retail for like, I want to say $70 or $80. Has Aulani at Disney Resort and Spa, and then it just has Aulani across the back. This one, the letter was already cracking when I got it, so that's why it was on sale. But this is huge, massive, hello. But I wore this to sleep every single night. I love this. This is so comfy. This is like my favorite thing that I bought my whole program. And then my other favorite thing to get at Mickey's Treasure Chest is defective ears. So they have a bunch of ears where the bows are sewn on weird. There isn't bows at all. There's like an embroidery issue, things like that. So I wore my hair up a lot this summer because Florida's a sweaty mess and I have a lot of hair. And I don't always like the way that it looks having my hair in a bun with a bow. So I thought these were so cute. These were $5 at Cast Connection, originally 20 something. But they normally have like a big old tacky bow in the middle, and it had been ripped off. So now they're just ears. So I think these look super cute with your hair up in a bun, or just like this. I kind of like the look of ears without bows in them, which I know not the majority of people. But like these were $5. We found a pair of rose gold ears that had literally nothing wrong with them, but the bow was like a little bit askew for $5. I wonder if they're in here. I don't have them in here, but there was a pair that had like a little flower coming off of it, and just the flower was ripped off, but all the others were safe. Those were $5, so great place to get ears. Cast Connection. This one I also don't have with me because it is upstairs, but I'll show you guys. And that's something to commemorate your location. I worked at Typhoon and I didn't want to get one of the really ugly dad shirts. I honestly never really went to our gift shop. If I ever go back to Disney World, I'll buy something from there, but I kept forgetting. So I found this magnet and it has Typhoon Tilly on it, who's our cute little boat, Miss Tilly. So I had to get it. This is obviously way easier if you work at a theme park, but you could also get things that are like attraction specific if you have an attraction, or restaurant specific, stuff like that. But I got this one. If you stayed at a resort, which I feel like most people do during their program because you can get crazy discounts and it's just fun to finish your program with, get something from that resort. So I love pins, and I stayed at the Poly with Kate, one of my roommates. So I always get pins when I stay somewhere. I also have an Animal Kingdom Lodge pin somewhere, and I did get an Animal Kingdom Lodge mug that I've shown before. This is just like an example. So when I stayed at the Polynesian, I got a little Polynesian pin to commemorate my stay there. This one, I guess you don't need it, but I think you should. And that, excuse me. And that is a Spirit jersey and a pair of ears. I don't care which ones. I personally love all of them. I'm wearing a Disneyland one right now. I showed you my Aulani one. I showed you my cast member one. These are all Disney Spirit jerseys. I love Spirit jerseys. And a pair of ears. You can get something that's like more like time specific. So I was there for Gay Day, so I got like the gay ears, the rainbow ears. They're called the rainbow ears. If you were there when something like just came out, so I got these on my program. They just released. They're all messed up right now. These released not too far before, so you could have gotten like matching millennial pink, matching rose gold. They just released the purple ones, so you can get the purple ones if you want, but I think everyone should have like one pair of ears and one Spirit jersey at least to commemorate their program. A fuel rod. Oh my gosh, I feel like people don't talk about this enough, but fuel rods are so handy. I have portable hard drives? No, portable chargers. I have bigger ones because fuel rods only really hold like a charge and a half of an iPhone. But you can swap it out, and they have them in every single park and Disney Springs. These were so handy, even like when I was working. If I really needed to after work, I could run down to the merch shop at Typhoon, so my fuel rod, my phone will be charged. I love this. I bought mine when I was in Disneyland and then just brought it to Disney World with me, and it is, ooh, saving grace, especially like super long like open and close days, or you have a shift and you want to go somewhere after work, you don't want to worry about plugging your phone in, and then if you have one that isn't a fuel rod, you might have charged it but you might have not, and then you thought you would charge and you didn't. Fuel rods will always be there for you, and they're only like $30. I super recommend them, and the cute little charging cord they come with is very cute. The next one is something with the year on it. So this can obviously be hard if you're doing a program that's over a year, but if you're just doing like a one term, this is easier. I have two things. The first one, I also got this at Cast Connection. It was originally $18, but it was 75% off because the straw is weird and something was broken. But this is like the cute little 2018 Walt Disney World collection. I think it's super cute. I almost bought this when I went to Disneyland in 2018, then I was like, no, I don't need another cup. I was wrong. I needed another cup, and it was this one. This one's technically the next year, but this would work for people that are going this next year. I got the 2019 16-month Disney World calendar. I think calendars are super cute. I love calendars. It has so many cute things on it. Sure, back there. So this obviously you could get for your year, your program. I got mine for the next year. Something to remember Disney with. But I think something with the year on it is super cute. I'm almost done. I have two more main things. Just wait it out for me. Number nine. Something that you collect. So for me, showed you the Spirit jerseys. Love me a Spirit jersey. I collect those. I collect pins. I love pins. So like I got the little like Canada Epcot-y pin. Cause you know, I'm Canadian and it's Disney, you know. Also, like I mentioned, I bought a lot of ears. This whole bag is just ears. If y'all ever want like a dedicated ear collection video, hit me up, because we have like, these aren't even all of them. These are just the ones that I brought with me to Disney World. Oh, I got these for $5 at Cast Connection too. I just really like ears, so I justified buying a bunch of these because I love ears. This isn't even the entire bag. There's more at the bottom here. I just ran out of hand room. That was a big collectible of that. Spirit jerseys, pins were my 3. But if you're a mug person, you can get mugs. If you're a cup person, you can get cups. If you're a Pandora person, you can get jewelry. I'm not here to judge you. Just get something that you collect, that you enjoy. Number 10 is something limited edition or seasonal. I, for the life of me, do not know where mine is. But I did get a Flower and Garden pin from Flower and Garden. If your program was over the holidays, you could get like the Christmas Spirit jersey. This is Disneyland's from last year. Super cute though. So you get something like this. You get a Flower and Garden thing. You can get Food and Wine Festival. Pretty much every time of the year there's something going on. It goes from like Christmas for part of January to like Valentine's Daisy to Flower and Garden to Halloween / Food and Wine into Christmas. It's always a holiday at Disney World. You're always going to be able to find merch that you were there for something. I have 2 honorable mentions because I had to keep these in here, but I feel like everyone knows these, so I don't want to talk about it. But one, excuse me, one is Memory Maker. If you don't know, Memory Maker works for a certain amount of days. I don't remember, you can look it up, but it ends up being so worth it. It's a service that lets you download all of your ride pics and PhotoPass pics, which, oh, you get so many good ride pics. And you can do it in a group, and you can split it like among a family. So if your parents are coming, you can like split the cost 3 ways. But I really, really, really recommend Memory Maker. It's super, super cute to have like pics with your roommates and pics with your family when they come. Ride pictures are so funny. Recommend that. The other one, can you even, whoop, there's a cat at my foot. Hi! And this is my last honorable mention. I feel like everyone already knows this. But I think it's super cute to get your graduation ears painted. When you graduate from your Disney College program, you get a little grad cap with a tassel. The only time you can get it is graduating from a program. They don't sell these. I got my name with fireworks on one side and then CEP because I was on a cultural exchange program on the other side. Sorry, my cat just got really close to the camera again. I wish I did something different. I wish I did my location, because some people would do their name and then like Fantasyland or Typhoon. My roommate got Soarin', super cute. Depending on who's painting that do, sometimes it'll be nicer than others. My painter was kind of an asshole and only wanted to do one color, but like one of my roommates got all the colors of the fireworks. I don't know, man. There's a bunch of different options for patterns you can do. It ends up being relatively inexpensive. So I recommend everyone go get their ears decked out, because I think they're just cute to display. So that is it. That is all. I'm sorry I talked so long in this, but I thought I would show you a few fun things that I recommend getting when you're on your program. I think these are all clearly great investments and not a waste of thousands of dollars back to the company that's paying you. As always, my links to everything are down below. If you have any questions about programs, hit me up. Hi, I'm Lauren. I've done one of those. We're trying to go back. I don't know if they'll hire me, but we'll see. Also, Instagram, I'm on there way more. Hit up my Disney Instagram. It's very cute. I post photos of food and my face a lot. It's a great time. And subscribe if you want to see more stuff, because I do random stuff, I do vloggy stuff, I complain sometimes, I do a lot of Disney content, and yeah, that's it. That's all. I will see you guys hopefully sometime relatively soon.